If you use Suno, you've probably seen this happen. You make a song. The lyrics are okay. The melody is fine, but the voice is amazing. It sounds real and has feeling. And you immediately think, I want to use this singer again, so you save the voice as a persona. But before, it never worked the exact way we wanted. Old personas didn't save just the voice. They saved the entire vibe of the song. If the voice came from a happy song, every new song stayed happy. If it came from a country song, that country sound vibe followed it everywhere. You couldn't separate the singer from the music, but now you can. Suno's new vocal persona update lets you save only the voice, without the style. Here's what changed. Before, when Suno created a persona, it looked at the entire song, so the vocals and the instruments were mixed together. But now, when adding a persona, Suno does stem splitting to separate the song into parts. It removes the music and keeps only the main vocal. So the persona saves the sound of the voice, the tone, the character, and it does not save the genre, the instruments, the mood. This gives us the massive benefit of using one singer across many different genres and keeping the same voice across many songs, like a real artist. But this only works if you create the persona the right way. Here's how to do that. I start with a fun, playful song about a cat that I made before in Suno.
I wake her up with a roar meow, no alarm clocks needed. I show her how, paws on her face, time to serve my rain. Her sleepy groans, my morning.
Nice, right? It's playful, upbeat, and fun. I love it. But remember, for this case, the song itself doesn't matter. The voice does. So I will go to Songs menu, to Create, and go to Make a Persona. This opens a waveform. This step is important because you are choosing what Suno learns from. You have the control over choosing how your persona is trained. Here are 2 pro tips to ensure that your persona will be perfectly aligned. First, choose only the main singer. As you move through the waveform, listen carefully. Avoid any part with backing vocals or harmonies. If Suno hears more than one voice, the persona can sound strange later. Second, choose a part with some emotion. Don't pick a flat line where nothing changes. Pick a section where the singer shifts energy, softer, then stronger. Ideally, include a transition. This helps Suno understand the voice better.
I wake her up with a roar meow, no alarm clocks needed. I show her how, paws on her face, time to serve my rain. Her sleepy groans, my morning champagne. She brings the feast, I watch her scurry. Am I impressed? No need to hurry.
This first 10 seconds seem like a good specimen, just before the backup vocals begin. Once you've selected a clean section, clear the default style, name it, and save the persona. Now the voice is ready. Next, I create a new song and select this persona. I will paste some lyrics I got. Let's clear the default style description and do something very different. Reggae groove, Beach Islands vibe. That's right. We're going to use the same singer, but in a new style. And here we go.
Sun going down, sky feels light, warm breeze moving through the night. No rush now, nowhere to be, just the waves and a slow heartbeat. Chilling by the water, sunset glow, easy vibes, let the good times flow. Palm trees sway, scene in the fading light.
The music sounds like chill reggae. The old pop sound is completely gone, but the voice is still the same. Same tone, same feel, same singer. The persona decides who is singing, The prompt decides what they sing. That separation is the key change. To test it again, let's try another style. This time, acoustic country.
Dust on my boots, late day sun, radio low, long road run, old screen door, creak out back, cat on the porch, tail lay flat. I ain't in a hurry, I'm doing just fine. Let the world spin, I'll take my time. Small town sky, stars coming through.
Once again, the music changes completely, but the voice stays the same. And it has adapted Western country vibes so perfectly, you can feel the dynamics in the voice. It feels like one singer performing different songs. And hey, if you already created personas before this update, you don't need to remake them. Go to your library and select an older persona. You will see an option to update it to the new version. When you do this, Suno reprocesses the original song and cleans up the vocal using the new system. One last important thing you need to check every time. When you select a persona, you will see a small gear icon next to it. Click that gear icon and you will see two options. Here, make sure vocal persona is selected. If it is set to the old style option, the genre will come back with the voice. Always check this before you generate. This update fixes a big problem in AI music. You can finally reuse voices properly. Go through your library, find the good singers, extract them, and use them again. This is how you build real voices in Suno. This is AI Tunecraft, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives.